guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Apurva and in today's video I will be sharing with you my Nykaa haul. As Pink Summer Sale is live on Nykaa, so I shopped my heart out. When I say I shopped my heart out, I have, can you see, 3 huge boxes right here. So that was my shopping on Nykaa. This is the best time to stock up on your favorites product. And when you want to try new product, this is a great time. Also, there are many deals and offer going on. So I will mention all the offer and discount on screen, so you can check them out. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with the first box, which is very tiny. I guess there is only one product. This box just got delivered. This is the Nykaa hand cream. From the longest time I want this variant, coconut and shea butter. When I was scrolling on Nykaa, this was in stock, so I immediately ordered it. Also, for the price, I will just pop it over here so you can check it. The cream is so thick. Oh my god, the fragrance is so good. Wow, this is very moisturizing. My hand is smelling like coconut. I love it. Now, starting with this box, I have a lot of product to share. This is the primer by Insight Cosmetic. This is their hydrating primer. This exactly resemble like Benefit primer. So I was really excited to try the new primer in the market. So I bought this. Next up, I have the Insight Pore Minimizer Primer. On some days I need hydrating primer, on some days I need soft blurring primer. I really wanted to explore new primer in the market, so I got this. Also, all the product I got on huge discount, so this is right time to shop on Nykaa. Next up, I have this powder puff by Bronzon. This is so soft. I'm super excited to try this. Again, I have Pizza Puff, which is in the pack of 2. One I have used it. This is by Ray Cosmetics. I hope I am pronouncing it right. These powder puff are very soft to use. I really like it. Next up, I have the MAC Stack Mascara. This is in the variant Mini. This is the most viral mascara. This mascara was trending all over the internet, so I got it. And I have already used this mascara, so I know this is the best mascara in the market if you are looking for that lengthening effect. So this is the wand. I really love this mascara. On purchase of the MAC Stack Mascara, I got their Prep and Prime sample. This is the cult favorite product, MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This comes super handy while you are traveling. As you can see, I have already used it. I love the brand when they send this kind of sample. Next up, I have this body scrub from Be Body Wise. This is their 10% AHA body scrub. I really wanted to try a new exfoliating scrub, so I got this. Next up, I have this e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter. I have already used it, so I have threw the outer covering. I'm in the shade 1 Fair. On e.l.f., I guess on e.l.f. there was buy one get one free. This is the applicator. This is very thick doe food applicator, and this is the shade. This is the glow it give very natural glow. Also, I have heard this is the exact dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood liquid filter. So I have got this. At this point, I have used this 4 times and I really love the finish and the glow it gave. So I am a huge fan of this. Next up, I have this e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I have heard such a good review about this concealer, so I was super excited to try this out. I have bought very light shade because if you have saw my previous video, which is top 5 under 500, you know I have bought the darkest shade of concealer. So to fix that concealer, I have bought this very light shade, and also I have used it 4 times. Also, I have used it now to brighten up my under eye, and it worked really amazing. This concealer doesn't settle into fine line and it doesn't cling my dry patches. This is very hydrating concealer. So get this one. By the way, this is in the shade light ivory. Next up, I have this NYX brow mascara. This is very hype product. So I really wanted to try this out. This is in the shade. Where is the shade? This is in the shade Espresso. This is how the product look. This is the wand. This is the shade. This product will make your eyebrow instantly fuller. I have used it once and I love it. So if you are that kind of girl which is always in hurry and doesn't want to spend time in doing their eyebrows, so get this. This product need no introduction. This is by Brent Bronson and this is their face razor. This come in the pack of 3. One I have already used it. And this is how the product look and this is the razor. From the longest time, I really wanted to try good black liner. Before that, I was using the K-Beauty liner and now I have bought this Maybelline Liquid Tattoo liner. This is in the shade black. This is how the applicator look like. This is very pointy and precise. And this is jet black. This is jet black, waterproof and smudge proof. So I am looking forward to try this out. Next up, I have this primer. This is by Frosh Beauty Silk Blur Primer. I wanted primer in the travel size, so I got this one. I have used this before and I really like this primer, so I got this in the travel size. Next up, I have this K-Beauty liquid liner. This is in the shade Sizzling Mocha. I have used this liner. This is how the applicator look like. The applicator is very sharp, pointy and very thin, and this is the shade. The problem with brown liner is when you apply it on the lids, it kind of look like black eyeliner, but this is not the case with this one. Also, this is waterproof and smudge proof. Next up, I have this kajal by the K Beauty. This is in the shade Spade. This is how the packaging look like, and this is jet black and it glide like a butter. Next up, I have this K Beauty cream blush. This is in the shade Cozy Coral. K Beauty blushes are something else. Their blushes are so good and this is so pigmented. Let me just swatch it for you. This is how the shade look like. One dot goes a long way. This is highly pigmented and it blends like a dream. This is the shade. This is so pretty everyday coral blush. I really love their cream blush formulation. I got this lipstick free. This is in the shade Premier. This is the bullet lipstick and this is the shade. Here is the swatch. This is hot pink. Their packaging is quite luxe. It has magnetic packaging and this is the shade. This is hot pink. I don't know, maybe I will use it or not, but this is the free. I got this body lotion free. This is Love Struck Talk All Night Body Lotion by Nykaa. And this is the consistency of the body lotion. Oh, the formulation is so creamy. Wow. This is very hydrating body lotion. Next up, I have this Swiss Beauty My Shine lipstick. This is in the shade. Wait. This is in the shade 06 Mystic Brown. This is the clickable version. Also, this has little heart on it. Wow. Wow, this shade is looking so pretty. It will suit most of the Indian skin tone. Also, this lipstick got gloss and shine. So, this is not transfer proof lipstick. Wow. Next up, I have this two lipstick by Romand. On Romand, there was 10% off. So, I got this for 801 rupees for each product. I got their Juicy Lasting Tint and Zero Velvet Tint. This is the Juicy Lasting Tint. This is in the variant 20 Dark Coconut. This is how the packaging look like. And this is the applicator. And this is the swatch. Oh wow, the fragrance is so good. This is the glossy tint, so you have to reapply it, and also it does transfer. And I have used it once, and this will hydrate your lips like anything. I really love this shade. Also, this shade will suit most of the Indian skin tone. This is the Zero Velvet tint, and this is how the packaging look like. This is red. This is in the shade Fizz, and this is how the applicator look like. This is very cool tone red, so it will suit most of the Indian skin tone. This is not very chatak red, which pop up in your eyes. So this is very subtle, cool tone red. So it will suit most of the Indian skin tone. And the formulation is so creamy and smooth. And when you apply it on your lip, it feels like velvet. So as the name says, Zero Velvet Tint. So this is also a tint, so it does transfer slight a little bit, but this goes a long way. Next up, I got this sample of Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume. The Black Orchid was on my wish list for quite a long time, and I really love this fragrance. So I got this sample size free. I don't know on which product. So this is the sample size. This is 2 ml, and this comes super handy while you are traveling. Super handy to touch up, and you can put it in your smallest pocket of your jeans. So this is the perfume. And on that note, we are done with the second box. Now coming to this third box. This is very huge box. Next up, I have this blow brush. This is by brand Alan Trom. From the longest time I wanted a blow brush. So this is the best time I thought I should get it. This is how the brush look like. It got 3 different setting: blast, hot and warm. And I have used it today. As you can see, my hair is looking so frizz free, manageable, and in short, my hair is hairing today. So this is worth an investment. Next up, I have this Minimalist Malic Bond Repair Shampoo. Currently, I am using this shampoo and I love this, so I stock up on this. This is the best shampoo I have ever used it. So this was the best time to stock it up. I got this body milk from their Wanderlust collection. This is in the variant lavender. As you can see, it has milky texture and it absorbs so quickly and it moisturizes so well. This is super lightweight on the skin. I got this especially for my nighttime body care routine to moisturize my hand and legs. So this is super lightweight and you just have to spray it and just blend it into your body. So this is in the variant lavender. Also the fragrance is so amazing. Next up, I have this same body milk but in the different variant. This is in the variant Japanese cherry blossom. This also smells so amazing. Next up, I have this shower gel. This shower gel, I got it for free. This is in the full size, as you can see. On the body milk, I got this shower gel free. This is in the variant Ethiopian coffee. Oh my god, this smells like coffee. Wow. This smells so good. Next up, I have this Hydra Filling Night Cream. This is by L'Oreal. You just have to take a small amount on your palm and you have to run your fingers into your hair. It will hydrate your hair and make your hair so smooth and frizz-free, manageable, softer. It has hyaluronic acid, so I have heard such a good thing about this product. So I really wanted to give it a try. So I got this. Next up, I have the OG favorite Garnier Micellar Water. This is oil infused and this need no introduction. This I got in 400 ml. Next up, I have this foot cream by Plum Body Loving. This is in the variant Coffee Veggiano. This is the foot cream. This is a foot cream. It has thick texture and it smells like coffee. As you know, I am dry skin person, so eventually my foot is also very dry all the time. I really wanted to give it a try, so I got this. I really don't know how this product will work for my skin type, but I just wanted to give it a try, so I got this. Next up, I got my favorite body mist from the Victoria's Secret. This is in the variant Pure Seduction. It has shimmer to it, but all the Victoria's Secret body mist has shimmer and non-shimmer version, so you can opt for any. I opted for shimmer version, so I got this around 1400 or 1500. I will just pop the price over here and let me just. It has fruity vanilla fragrance, so if you like vanilla and fruity fragrance, so you can opt for this. Oh my god, this smells so good. This is a body mist, so don't expect it to last for 6 to 10 hours. You just have to reapply it every 3 to 4 hours. Next up, I have this very basic cotton pads. I got these lashes. This is by the pack. This is in the variant 52. I have eyelashes by Inside. This is in the variant Doris. It look very natural. I have eyelashes by Swiss Beauty. This is in the variant Rouge. Again, this is by Swiss Beauty. This is in the variant Diago. This is very dramatic eyelashes for that dramatic makeup look. This is eyelashes by Swiss Beauty. This is in the variant Pixie. It look very natural and everyday eyelashes. This is in the variant Amber and it will give you that dramatic fuller lashes look. This is in the variant Nova. It look very natural and fuller eyelashes. Up last, I have this eyelashes. This is by the Swiss Beauty and this is in the variant Brahma. And with that, this box is also empty. That was it for my Nykaa shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will link all the product down below in the description box. So don't forget to check them out. I will see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.